Hi Serena, here is a long division question for you with all the steps as promised. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at our number that we're trying to divide in this case it's 8, and we're going to check to see if the first number might divide by 8, but we see that it's too small. And so then we look at the next number with it. And so we make a 2-digit number and we see if it divides by 8. So you're going to go over to your multiplication table. And you're going to go along the 8 row until you get as close as you possibly can to 51. When that happens, it's going to happen this time in the 6th column. 48 is as close as we can get multiplying 8s to 51. So 8 times 6 is 48. So we're going to write on the top that 6 is the number that multiplied by 8 gets us closest to 51. And then we're going to do 6 times 8 equals 48. Now we're going to draw a line, and I'm going to take out this line just so I don't make things confusing for you in terms of where the line is for subtracting. And we're going to take 51, take away 48, which is 3. Now, 8 won't divide into 3 because it's too small. So we're going to need help. We go up and we get the 7 to come down and help. 8 will divide into 37. So we have to go back to our chart, and we're going to go along until we can get as close as we can to 37. And that number this time is going to be 32. That's as close as we can get without going over. And 32 is 8 times 4. So we go back over here and we're going to do this step all over again. We're going to say that 4 times 8, so 4 times 8 was as close as we could get, and that gave us an answer of 32. So to see how close we got, we take the number we were trying to get, which was 37, and we subtract the number that we got from the chart, which is 32. It's 37 minus 32 is 5, and 8 doesn't divide into 5, it's too small. When we go up for help, there's no help left, there's no more numbers there, so we have to stop. And then that tells us that this leftover number must be our remainder of 5. So 517 divided by 8 equals 64 with a remainder of 5.